Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to do a review of the soft touch liquid silicone MagSafe case for the iPhone 16 Pro, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this one is from a company called Gonez. The unboxing experience here is pretty simple. You have a box. Inside that you have an insert, and in that insert you have your Gonez case, you have your welcome card, you have your warranty instructions, and add to that you also have two tempered glass screen protectors and two camera lens protectors for the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So this here is the Gonez case for the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. As you can see, you have soft silicone touch on the back. This is smooth but not slippery. And on the inside, you have microfiber lining on the back and on the sides as well, so that it does not scratch the side rails or the back of your iPhone 16 Pro. Now, as for the construction, you do have polycarbonate on the back behind this liquid silicone soft touch. You have some TPU as well on the sides, where you have the camera control cutout, the button for your power, and your volume up, volume down, and the action button. That is where you have some TPU, but the build quality all in all is pretty good. Then let us go ahead and install this case onto our iPhone 16 Pro over here and have a look at the bottom. So on the bottom you have the cutout for your USB Type-C and your microphone ports. Everything looks pretty good. On this side you have the buttons and they are pretty clicky. So this here is the action button and works like a boss. No issues to report. What about volume up and volume down? Awesome, great tactile feedback. You can hear the clickiness right now. It is pretty cool and pretty good. Then on the top you have nothing. Everything looks pretty good. On this side you have your power button. Again, this one is pretty clicky as well. And then you have a cutout for your camera control button. No, Apple doesn't want to call it a button, but it is actually a button, and the access to the camera control is pretty smooth. No sharp edges, nothing like that. Everything works like a boss with the camera control as well. Moving over to the display, you can see that the Gonez case for the iPhone 16 Pro is definitely screen protector friendly, and we are using the one which was included by Gonez. Everything works absolutely fine. As for the lip action for the display, here it is. This is the lip action. You have decent amount of lip action. If you were to place your phone like this, screen side down, you do not have to worry about the display getting scratched. Moving over to the back, let us have a look at the lip action for the camera lenses on the iPhone 16 Pro. There it is, you can see on your screen. Decent, great amount of lip action for the camera module as well. Place your phone like this, camera module side down. Do not have to worry about the camera lenses getting scratched on your iPhone 16 Pro or the iPhone 16 Pro Max. What about MagSafe? The magnets here, trust me, are super strong. And the magnets here are so strong that I can actually lift up my Belkin charger while my iPhone 16 Pro is charging on it with this Gonez case installed. The feeling of grip definitely there. What about fingerprints and smudges? Because we have been handling this Gonez case for quite some time now. There it is, you can see on your screen right now. There aren't many visible fingerprints or smudges, which is again a good touch. So another added advantage of the Gonez case is once you've installed it, there is no table wobble involved, which is a big complaint with the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Another cool thing about this liquid silicone Gonez case for the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max is that it is available in 12 different colors. So if you are in the market for an awesome, strong MagSafe magnet case with liquid soft touch, not slippery at all, provides great amount of protection for the display. The camera lenses comes with two tempered glass screen protectors, two camera lens protectors for your iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Then definitely have a look at the one from Gonez.